Hello Lockaholics, this is Subsonic 1050 with another picking video for you. And today I have a challenge lock built by Rallock67. And this lock was sent to me by Bosnian Bill, who very generously sent me a whole box of locks that I received yesterday. And this was among them. Let me show you the key there. Pretty wild bitting. Show you that the lock does work. So let's go ahead and try to pick this thing. I'm going to use a music wire tension wrench and sort of a medium-ish hook, homebrew hook. So let's see what we get here. Okay, got several clicks off of 3, a click off of 4, click off of 1. Okay, I've got a false set now after I touch 2. Okay, I've got some counter rotation on 4 here. Oh, okay. Alright, well, there it is, picked open. Oh, sorry, my camera just fell there, I apologize. I've got a crappy little tripod here. I actually just ordered a different one, so that actually should be arriving tomorrow. Let's go ahead and gut this thing. Alright, is it going to use the large? Yeah, I think that's the large. Okay. We can see there's some counter milling, or not counter milling, some threading on chamber 3 there. I think that shows up. Let's see what we have. Pin 1 looks standard, 2 is standard, 3 is standard, 4 is standard, and 5 also looks to be standard. Alright, let's see what we have for drivers. I'm assuming that's where all the money is anyway. Alright, 1 is just a standard pin. 2 is a cool looking spool. 3 is a serrated pin. Let's see, is that going to show up? Yeah, very nice serrated pin. Four is actually a standard pin as well. Come on. And 5 is another one of those cool looking spools. They're kind of a little bit more dumbbell shaped or something. Let me give you a better look at those pins there. So we have 5 standard key pins, 2 standard drivers, 2 spool drivers, and 1 very nice serrated driver. So that is Rallock67's challenge lock picked open and gutted. Thank you very much, Bill, for sending that my way. Alright, everybody else, thanks for watching.